Assessing the quantity and size of dust particles in accordance with ISO 8502-3 with the PosiTest DT dust tape test from DeFelsco, the measure of quality. Before applying a protective coating, it is critical to ensure the surface is free of dust and debris. Dust tape test can be used as either a pass-fail test or as a means to provide a permanent record of the dust present on a surface. The PosiTest DT dust tape test kit includes all report forms and accessories required for testing in accordance with ISO 8502-3, including a roll of ISO tape, scissors, dust test comparator with pictorial references, reusable transparent display board, 25-pack of report forms, and an illuminated magnifier to aid with classification, packaged in a hard shell case. The optional spring-loaded PosiTest DT dust tape roller is available to apply a constant force as recommended by ISO 8502-3 for greater repeatability. Prior to testing, make sure to fully read and understand the standard. Before beginning each series of tests, remove the first 3 turns of tape from the roll. Remove a piece of tape approximately 20 centimeters or 8 inches long from the roll. To avoid contamination, only touch the adhesive side of the tape at the far ends. Press approximately 15 centimeters or 6 inches of tape onto the surface using either a thumb or the optional PosiTest DT tape roller. Apply firm pressure and a constant speed to press the tape onto the surface 3 times in each direction. Each stroke should take between 5 and 6 seconds. If using the PosiTest DT roller, keep the tape centered between the yellow stripes on the roller. Remove the tape from the surface and press it onto the transparent display board, trying to minimize trapped air bubbles. To assess the quantity and size of dust particles, place the sample over the black, white, or two-tone strip on the dust test comparator, whichever strip provides the most contrast. Visually assess the size of dust particles and classify them using the descriptions of dust particles table shown on the dust test comparator. If necessary, use the included 10x magnifier to evaluate small dust particles. Record the dust size class 0 through 5 on the dust test kit report form. Next, visually assess the quantity of dust particles by comparing the sample with the 5 dust quantity rating pictorial references shown on the dust tape comparator. Record the reference that provides the closest match, using intermediate half steps if necessary. If there is overall discoloration of the tape, record it as quantity rating 5, dust size class 1. For every surface type, perform at least 3 separate tests. If the results differ by more than 1 in size or quantity, perform at least 2 additional tests and average the results of all 5 tests. Backed by DeFelsco's renowned quality, customer service, and exceptional 2-year warranty, the PosiTest DT dust tape test is an ideal choice for assessing the quantity and size of dust particles on blast-clean surfaces in accordance with ISO 8502-3. To learn more about the PosiTest DT dust tape test, visit defelsco.com/DT.